Good evening, class and professor. My name is Nikisha Evans. My interest and or background dealing with people that's involved in the juvenile justice center is I have loved ones currently incarcerated doing anywhere between 30 and 40 years for various crimes. I actually have a brother who is about to be doing his reentry for federal prison that he did 42 years. Um, my interest became involved when I noticed that people of my own kind was not being uh, represented well dealing in the prison world. As we know that black people in certain prisons is the vast majority of them, and I really want to try to make some type of dent into the criminal justice world. When I first started, before I did Whitener, I wanted to be a children probation officer because I felt as though um, children don't have a voice. We tend to shut them up. We tend to not let them advocate for themselves, for us to know what they want and what they need. We tend to put all of their eggs in one basket without even talking to them. So I wanted to give our young kings and queens the opportunity to be able to tell us what they want, why they in that predicament, and how can we better prepare them for when they're exiting from the juvenile justice center. Let me see, what's next? The roles that what is it that social workers fulfilling in the criminal justice. Like I said, we need to be advocates. We need to be able to help our clients, um, our partners, because that's who we are. We are in a relationship where we're our partners. No one is bigger than any one of them. So we need to be able to advocate. We need to be able to teach them how to take over and be the driver in their own destiny to provide them with coping skills. But I look forward to the remaining of the 7 weeks and see if I'm still interested in becoming a probation officer or a social worker in prison. I look forward to watching each and every one of your videos, and take care.